The magic cooking pot. An old woman gave a poor girl a magic cooking pot. One day, when the girl was not in her house, her mother wanted to have some porridge. Boil, boil, little pot. Her mother said the magic words. The pot started boiling some porridge, but she didn't know how to stop it. The porridge boiled over and flowed onto the floor. The porridge flowed down the hill and into the village. The girl returned home. Stop! Stop, little pot! She shouted. The porridge stopped flowing over. So, Ubin, how did you like the story?
This is interesting.
Was it interesting?
Yes.
Excellent. You can say it was interesting.
It was interesting.
Good. Ubin's quiz time. Number 1. Who gave the poor girl the magic pot?
An old woman.
Good. Ding dong ding dong. An old woman gave the poor girl the
Yes.
magic pot, right?
Yes.
Number 2. Her mother forgot to say the magic words, right?
Yes.
What happened to the porridge? What happened to the porridge? Yes,
The
magic pot.
porridge came out.
Uh-huh.
Boiled
Boiled
over.
And
And
flowed
flowed
onto the floor.
onto the floor.
Right. Can you repeat after me?
Okay.
The porridge
The porridge
boiled
boiled
over
over
and flowed
and flowed
onto the floor.
onto the floor.
One more time. The porridge
The porridge
boiled over
boiled over
and flowed
and flowed
onto the floor.
onto the floor.
Very good. Number 3.
Ding dong ding dong.
Ding dong ding dong. How did it stop?
The
Mhm.
girl said, "Stop that little pot," and the pot stopped.
Very
Ding dong
good.
ding dong.
Okay, so the girl
Yes.
shouted,
Yes.
"Stop, stop, little pot."
Yes.
That was the magic words, right?
Yes.
So the porridge stopped boiling.
Yes. Mom.